Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create a beautiful email newsletter using Mailchimp? In this video, I will show you exactly how to design and send your first email campaign step by step. First of all, sign in at mailchimp.com. Open your browser and search for Mailchimp. Open the website and click sign up if you are new, and follow the sign up process. From your dashboard, click on campaigns. Wait a minute. Click on dashboard. Then click campaigns. Then hit create campaign. From here, choose email, then give your campaign a name, something like my newsletter, or you can use template or start from scratch. Now you will set up your email details. Choose your audience list. This is who your email will go to. Write a subject line that grabs attention like new arrival just for you, and set the preview text. This is the small line that shows up in box. Next, click design email. Choose classic builder or new builder. We will use classic for now. Drag and drop elements like image. Click add image and upload your image from your computer. It's look like that. You can add your logo at the top, some headline text. Click set logo, then upload logo. And a few paragraphs with product or blog updates. Don't forget to add a call to action button like shop now or read more. Click done. Then from here, click on buttons tab, then drag it to here, then click see more or read more, then add link. When you are happy with your design, click preview. And then send a test email to yourself to check everything. Wait a minute, I will copy my Gmail account for this tutorial. Go to gmail.com and copy the Gmail address and paste it here. Then click send test and click OK. Now refresh your Gmail inbox. Make sure images load correctly and links work. Ready to send? Click continue, then schedule to send later or hit send now to launch your newsletter immediately. And that's it. You have just created and sent a professional newsletter with Mailchimp, simple, clean, and ready to boost engagement. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital marketing tutorials. And drop a comment if you want a free newsletter template. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.